Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu says, the companions sent me to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in order to ask him for some mounts for them to ride on while they were setting off for the Jaise Usrat, the battle of Tabuk. So I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my companions have dispatched me to you so as to equip them with mounts to ride on. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not supply you with any mount. By chance he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was then in angry mood and I could not discern it. I returned downcast due to the Prophet's refusal, and on the other hand I was also gloomy lest the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam should get annoyed with me. I returned to my companions and appraised them of what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had said. After a short while I heard Hazrat Bilal's call, O Abdullah bin Qais. So I made a reply. He said, give response to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam as he is calling you. When I reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, take this pair of camels and this pair of camels, 6 camels altogether. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam has brought those camels from Hazrat Sa'ad bin Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu at that time. So take them to your companions and tell them that verily Allah Jalla Jalaluhu or Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has provided you with them to ride on. So mount on them. I thereupon took them to my companions and told them that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had granted you those camels to mount. But by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will take you to those people who heard the former statement of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Perhaps you might think that I have fabricated a thing for you which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has not said. They all said, we have a trust in you, but we will go according to your wish. So Hazrat Abu Moosa radiyallahu anhu proceeded, taking some of them, and reached those people who had heard the previous statement of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam first refused and thereafter he granted them the mounts. They testified the statement of Hazrat Abu Moosa radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4415.